Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them. Maybe find your next week. More press releases for you. I'm going to start you off first with a tech press release and then get into the resources stuff. It comes out of Augme Technologies, trades on the OTC in the U.S. under AUGT. They put up their third quarter numbers. Revenues come in at $4.4 million. Let me tell you first about what this company does and the kind of clients they have to really put some meat to this press release there. They're in the mobile marketing technology space. They provided measurable success across an industry-leading 130,000 campaigns for clients such as Macy's, Miller's Coors, Nestle, KFC, and Clear Channel. These guys are definitely executing and is showing up on the financials. So let's go into the highlights. By the way, these are for the third quarter ended November 30th. Revenues are up 244% over the second quarter. That's sequential. Now, having said that, this is the first full quarter of results, including two acquisitions that they made in July and August. So obviously that came from the acquisitions, but the company nonetheless is growing. Software as a service revenue accounted for about 60% of that total revenue. That's significant because that's high margin income right there. New order bookings, $5.3 million, but what I really like here is backlog, $13 million. The company closed on Friday at $1.47, $4.77 on the high, $1.17 on the low. Nice move today. They're up 5 cents or 3.4% on 34,000 shares, and we just opened trading, so the market definitely likes this news. Next up, Goldgroup Mining trades on the TSX on the stock symbol GGA. I've traded this company in the past. Their 43101, it came out this morning. It significantly increases gold, their gold resource estimate. So specifically, for the first time, it establishes indicated resources of 147,000 ounces of gold. That's 147,000 ounces. And growing inferred resources from 618,000 to 963,000 ounces of gold. That represents an increase of 56%. The prior 43101, which they had filed back in February of 2011, almost a year ago, estimated solely inferred mineral resources. So they've upped, they've increased the indicated for the first time ever, and the inferred are way up. So it's great news out of Goldgroup. They closed on Friday $1.15. They're up a penny right now on 7,000 shares. We just opened trading, but I like the company at these levels. Hana Mining, TSX Venture, HMG, for our friends in Germany on the Frankfurt 4LH. They're saying that infill drilling has encountered consistent high-grade copper-silver mineralization. This on their copper-silver project in Botswana. The infill drilling was carried out to convert a substantial amount of the 43101 compliant resources into the indicated category from the inferred category. The company says the results continue to confirm the continuity of copper-silver mineralization at the northeast fold area. Here are just some of the numbers: 2.17% copper equivalent, because they do have a mix. It looks like of some silver there and some other things, but they've copper equivalent over 8 meters, 2.59% copper equivalent over 4.5 meters. Those are just two of the core length intercepts. Go take a look at the rest of the press release. $1.34 is where they closed on Friday. They're down 3 cents today. I'm kind of surprised about that because given where they're trading on a technical basis and this news, I thought they'd actually be up. It is early, but 76,000 shares have traded, and they're down 2.24%. Their 52-week high is $5.20, 18 cents to be exact, 90 cents on the low. I think if copper catches a bid, you'll see Hana Mining move and move very, very quickly. So I like that company. Definitely put it on your radar. And finally, Yukon-Nevada Gold Corp, TSX YNG is their symbol for our friends in Germany. Frankfurt NG6. They announced that they intercepted 11.59 meters, averaging 20.19 grams per ton of gold. This is at their wholly owned Jared Canyon gold operation in Nevada. The company says 5 of the 7 drill holes intersected significant mineralization, 4 of which had multiple intersections. So go take a look at details themselves. What I like about the company is they're a gold producer, in addition to constantly trying to acquire advanced stage projects. Closed Friday, 26.5 cents. I'm going to double check this, but that tells me they got a market cap of $246 million. I'm not sure if that's correct. but they are trading today right now up a penny and a half. That's 5.5% on 550,000 shares. So the market definitely likes this news. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 4 great press releases for you this morning. If you're looking for other great resource stocks and you're watching this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace and discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.